Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2020 Toyota Yaris L in frost white with automatic head beams, electronic stability control, 15-inch wheels, brake assist, traction control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, split folding rear seats, a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6184B.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.